Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We'll wait.
1 second. 1 second. I'll raise the volume.
Oh. Good afternoon, everybody. I'll start with mantra. Okay. Or we'll wait for 1 more minute.
Yes, sir. We'll wait for a minute. The others join.
Today I'll teach you bishop and knight checkmate, fishing pole trap, and then we'll go to puzzles. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Guru Brahma.
Nice.
Guru Deva
Now,
Maheshwara.
listen. Sorry. Amma.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. First I'll teach you bishop and knight checkmate. In bishop and knight checkmate, you have to push the king to white square bishop to white square. If it is white square bishop, you have to push to A8. If it is black square bishop, it is pushed to H8. Now I will show because most complicated opening bad game. I will only move. Okay. King E2, King E4, King D2, King D4, Knight F3, King D3, King E4.
Yeah.
That's
Sir, any of them first?
okay. Okay. I'll show twice. I'll show. First move is King D2, King D4, Knight F3, King D4. Now King E2, King F4. Now Knight D2. You have to make sure that king is forced to A8 square if it is white square bishop. If it is black square bishop, you have to make sure that it is forced to H8. Now it is white square bishop. King F5, bishop C4 check. King D5, E5, Knight F3. It is the most complicated. It will take 37 moves to checkmate. Knight D4. Even some grandmasters make mistake in doing this. King F4, King G6. You have to practice it because this is one of the basic thing. King F5, King H8. Now black is trying to push the king to H8. You have to make sure that it is pushed to A8.
Okay,
What about H1?
Yeah.
What about H1?
H1 is also correct. H1 is also possible. Both H1 and A8 is possible. I have tried A8. Okay. H1 is also correct. Now knight F7, King G8.
Knight F6. Okay.
Knight G5 is correct. Bishop C2. Now bishop one waiting move. Bishop F5. Now bishop H7. King G8. Knight G5. King F8. Now knight D7. King E8.
King E8.
King G6. Now you have to make sure that king doesn't escape to C6. If king comes to here, then bishop forces check.
Bishop check.
Yes, bishop G6. King is forced to move to D8. Now one waiting move. King C8, knight C5. Again you have to make sure that king is
Knight
forced
check.
to check. King C8.
Okay. Okay.
King C6. Now it is simple. Bishop G4 check. Knight King B8. Knight C5. King.
Knight D7.
No. Bishop one waiting move. Now it is checkmate. Knight A6. King Bishop G.
Then Bishop G7.
Can you want to see once more? Or you
Yes, sir.
And you surely got maps
want
opening.
one more time. Also. After that, we'll go to fishing pole trap.
We got map. And you sure?
I'll show again. King D4, knight.
Sir, this time you do
What?
at H1, sir.
Oh, H1 it will be difficult. I have to prepare for it. It requires several, at least 1 or 2 hours of preparation. I have prepared for H8, A8. I'll next time I'll prepare for some other time, okay? Because it requires preparation. Honestly, it requires preparation. One mistake will cost you entire thing. Okay. King A3, King D5, Bishop C4. I'll show black bishop also one side. Knight D, King E5,
Knight bishop.
Bishop A2. Bishop A2, one waiting move. Now
Okay, sir.
King G6,
Bishop B1. Bishop
Bishop
B1.
B1. Now King what will you move now?
Bishop F5.
No.
Knight F5.
Bishop C2.
Knight F5.
Now King G7. Now
Knight E6. Knight F5.
King G6. King G6. King G8. Now knight Bishop moves. Bishop check. Bishop B3. King
Knight
F7.
E6.
E6.
Knight D6. E6. King G8.
Sir, knight F.
Knight G5.
G5.
Now King will move to A8. H8. Now knight
Knight F7.
Knight F7.
Knight F7.
King G8.
Knight E5.
King-
Knight.
King G6.
F7.
Now King tries to escape to H7. We are making sure King moves to A8.
Bishop C2.
Bishop C2. Bishop
Bishop F5.
King F8. Now Bishop 7.
Bishop H7.
Yes. Now again King moves. Knight D7. Now moves to
King E6. King E6.
King E6.
King E6.
Now King A8. Now what will you do? King moves.
King D6.
King D6.
King moves.
Now King F8. E8.
Now Bishop G6.
Bishop G6.
Bishop G6.
Now King D8. Now
Knight C5.
One
Knight
waiting,
C5.
one waiting move.
Knight C5.
Now knight C5.
And then knight.
Now sorry. Knight
ಗುಡ್
C5.
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್
Good afternoon, Namodini. ಹೇಗಿದೀಯಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
Knight B7. Now King C8. Now King
King
C6.
C6.
This is a most
King B6.
complicated of all the end game. Bishop G4. King
Knight C5.
King A6.
King A6.
Knight C5.
C5.
Now it is checkmate. One waiting move. King A8 checkmate. Bishop G2 checkmate.
Okay, sir.
Fishing pole trap.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I've seen the video of Bishop Control Trap. I've also noted it.
I'll do it now.
Okay.
Sir, there is also one more trap. Poison pawn trap.
Yeah, poison pawn.
Pozzolino trap. I'll teach on Monday. Pozzolino trap. E4. It is a black trap, so I'll flip the board. E4, E5, NF3, NC6,
NC6.
Bishop B5. Now knight F6.
Knight F6.
It's called Berlin Wall defense. Now
Berlin.
yes.
Yes.
Now knight G5.
Bishop.
Knight G4.
Knight E4.
H3, H5. Pawn
H5.
takes the knight.
Context.
Pawn
Context.
takes. Then
To
knight
clear the H
yes,
file.
clear the row H file. Now F5, Queen G3. Knight F3, Queen H1 checkmate. Another variation is there. Can also instead of F3, with black plays rook e1, what will you do? I will play bishop c5. Now d4, knight into d4, knight into d4, knight into d4, then queen f4. This one. Now knight f3, queen into f2, king here, queen here, checkmate. Full checkmate, mother checkmate. Did you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Should I show it once again?
Yes, sir.
So there's one more trap called Lasker trap, named by
Yeah, Lasker trap. I'll teach you once again.
Emmanuel Lasker. Emmanuel
Yes,
Lasker.
yes. Yes, that is also there. I'll teach you. I've stored it. E4, E5, NF3, NC6, BB5, NF6. This is called Berlin Wall defense. Now 0-0. Now knight here. If H3, H5.
H5. Pawn takes back.
Knight here,
91.
queen H4.
Queen H4.
Now F5, F4, G3. Unstoppable checkmate.
G3. Knight and
So,
queen.
I'm going to do it
Sir.
checkmate.
On full, it is called fishing pole checkmate. Fishing pole checkmate. Under variation. So,
And you show
instead
we
of
got
knight.
wraps also.
yeah, what is
Got
that?
wraps. We
What
got
is that?
wraps.
Which is
So,
that?
and you show we got wraps.
Legal trap. Huh? I'll show it. I'll show. NF3, NC6, BB5, NF6. Now, castle. Legal trap you want to see? I'll show it again. If it is rook e1, then bishop c4. D4, knight into d4, knight into knight, queen a4, queen h4, knight here, queen into pawn check, king here, queen h2 check, queen g1 check, checkmate. This is called fishing pole trap.
Sir, what if rook takes queen?
Rook take queen also same thing. Then also same thing, knight f7.
Okay.
This fishing pole trap. But that you want legal trap to be shown again? Hello?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yes.
show it. I'll show it.
Sir, can I tell the moves?
I'll tell. It is very simple.
Okay.
Bold. Legal trap is white. E4, E5,
4, E5, knight
NF6,
F3,
knight C6,
and C3.
BC4,
Check.
C6. Now knight C3,
Knight C3.
bishop
Bishop
G5,
G4.
F3, bishop H5,
Knight takes pawn.
knight takes pawn. This is legal trap.
Bishop takes queen.
Bishop into pawn check,
Bishop takes,
knight
and then knight D5.
checkmate.
Not that one, sir. Not checkmate one. So
Elephant
queen
trap. Elephant
queen
trap
eight
you want.
up.
Elephant
Sir.
trap.
You have to take the black queen away, sir. Not this one.
Elephant trap.
That I know.
Elephant trap. I'll take.
That I
Elephant-
know. I want black queen to take away.
E4, E5, NF3, D4. Oh, 1 minute. D4. This elephant trap. This one you want? Queen A4, D4, knight C6, Queen A4, Queen E7, NC3, NF6, Bishop D5, then D4. If black tries to capture the pawn, then you will lose the queen. This that's elephant
Yes, sir.
trap. Queen is trapped. This called
So there is also one more thing. One more thing got for running white queens.
yes,
one
I'll
more
teach you
English
next,
also.
next time I'll teach you. Can we go to puzzles now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you one more thing about that one.
What is the
I'll
what is
tell
the
you
trap
one
name?
more
Can you chat me? Can you send a message? What's
Opening, guys. So opening, I want to tell you something. One more thing. Can you stop from first?
okay? 1 minute. What is that? Okay, tell me that. What is that?
E4,
E4,
E5,
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 yes, E5,
D4.
D4,
Not that one. Not if black does not play E5. If it plays D5.
If for
D5.
D5. Okay.
Then knight F3. Knight F3.
Knight F3. This also I have shown you. Pawn into pawn.
So knight to G5.
Knight to G5. Yes. Then what will you do? This are D5.
So knight F6, not this one. Knight F6.
Knight F6. Okay.
So then D3. D3.
D3. Okay. D3. Okay.
So we pawn to pawn.
Pawn to pawn.
Sir, this is Tennyson
Then
gambit.
bishop to pawn.
Tennyson gambit.
Bishop
Yes.
to pawn.
Tennyson game.
Bishop to pawn.
Bishop to pawn.
To
Okay.
get the queen easily.
Yes. Yes.
Then knight,
Sacrifice knight or
then knight
knight or
H6.
bishop to get the queen.
H6. H6. So,
H6. Okay. Knight F3.
so then knight to pawn. Knight to pawn.
Okay. Bishop king into pawn. Knight then
Then
bishop.
bishop to
Bishop
G6.
G6.
Yes. Yes. This Tennyson gambit.
King takes and then queen takes.
Queen to king. Yes. Correct. That's very good. That's correct. Correct.
Tennyson gambit.
Tennyson gambit. Can you go to puzzles now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, rook. Rook
Queen to rook.
D8.
Queen to rook.
Rook D8.
Queen to rook. Queen to rook.
Rook D8. Rook D8. Rook into rook.
Queen
No,
to
this is-
rook.
No, it's not. What will you do? First move, what will you do?
First queen to
Rook
rook.
D7.
Queen into rook.
Queen into rook, then
So
rook to
queen into knight.
Queen
So queen into
F8.
knight.
Queen F8.
Queen
Queen
So queen
F8.
into knight.
Queen F8, then knight into F8, what will you do?
Sir, knight
Sir,
G7.
knight to G7.
Knight to
G7.
G7
Knight
is
to
correct.
G7.
Knight to G7 is correct. Suppose rook kills the knight. Suppose rook.
So then knight to G7.
Knight
Knight
to
Knight
G7.
G7.
Yes, correct. Very good, correct. Now,
Till it's mate.
correct. White to play in checkmate back in 2 moves.
Knight C6.
Knight C6. No? Knight into C6, what will you do?
Queen into.
No, then it will not be checkmate. No, it is only 2 moves.
Knight B5.
So queen
Queen takes.
queen to pawn.
Queen
Queen to
into-
pawn
queen into.
C6. Queen
Queen to-
C6.
Yes, correct. That's very good. Now
So
knight
knight
into
to knight checkmate.
knight into
Knight to knight.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate that into
Queen H8.
queen h8 is correct. Gauriya told Sharma told it correct. Sharma. One more checkmate.
Rook to bishop.
Rook to bishop is correct.
Into bishop.
Rook into. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
Knight B6.
Knight
B6.
b6 is correct. Correct. Now pawn to b6.
Pawn to
Pawn
pawn.
to pawn.
A into
Pawn into
B6.
B6 pawn.
Pawn to b6.
Pawn takes pawn.
Pawn take pawn. Tomorrow there will not be class. After Monday there will be. I will be taking different types of draws like stalemate, perpetual check, and other things. You-
Sir, no class
Saturday,
tomorrow.
Monday ಇರಲ್ವಾ?
Saturday, Sunday ಇರಲ್ಲ.
Oh, okay. Saturday.
King can't come here or here. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen takes queen. Queen takes queen.
Queen
No,
takes
queen
queen, then
takes
pawn will kill the
G7
queen.
pawn. Queen takes
No, that
G7
is also
pawn.
wrong. That is also wrong.
Queen takes
Takes
First move is
G7
knight
pawn.
sacrifice. First move is knight sacrifice. First move is knight sacrifice.
Sir, knight
Knight
E7.
E7.
Knight
to
97.
H6. Knight to h6 is correct.
Knight to H6.
It's not. It is sacrificed.
Yes, queen is forced to kill. Now one move checkmate.
And it's queen.
The queen.
Queen D8. Queen
Queen
D8.
d8. Yes, correct.
Queen D8.
Sanjana told it correct. Sanjana, very good. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Rook
Rook takes
H6. Rook
H7.
H6. Rook H6.
Rook H6 is correct.
Rook H6.
Correct. Pawn to H6.
Sir, Queen G.
Queen G6 is correct. Sanjana is correct. Sanjana. Now king can't come here or here. Sanjana,
Sir?
which standard you are studying?
9th, sir. Now 9th.
9th. Oh. Which school?
Sir?
Which school? Where in Bangalore?
No, sir. In Ballari.
Bellary. Okay. Very good. Very good. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, Queen
E5,
E5.
G5.
G5 is correct. Now pawn to king into pawn is fourth. Only one move. Now can you tell? one
Queen.
move?
Sir, Queen F4.
Queen F4.
Correct. King can't come here or here or here. Or here. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir,
bishop into rook.
Bishop G7. Bishop G7.
G7 is correct. Now king into G7 one move. Now can you tell one move checkmate?
Sir, Rook H7.
Rook H7.
Rook
Okay,
H7.
correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, Queen F8.
Queen F8 is wrong.
Sir, Queen F7.
No, then
RE8.
RE8 is correct. RE8.
Sir, why is Queen F8?
RE8 is correct. Now knight into E8. Now one more checkmate. What
Sir,
if?
Queen F3.
Sir, Queen
Sir,
F8.
Queen F8.
Sir, in the first, why was Queen F8 wrong?
First move Queen F8, then king will kill their queen.
Because the bishop rook was blocking the bishop.
Of course, yes, correct. It is now rook moves, then it is queen to queen F8.
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir,
Queen H6. Queen G6. Queen G6.
is wrong. Queen G6 is
Queen
wrong.
Knight F6.
Queen should, where should queen move?
Knight F7.
Queen H6 is correct.
Queen H6.
Queen H6. Now pawn to king into queen, what will you do?
G5.
Knight F7. Knight
Knight
F7.
F7.
Knight F7. If king, pawn to king, pawn to queen,
still Knight F7.
Knight F7 is wrong. Then
Knight E6. Knight
Knight
E6.
G6 is correct.
Knight E6.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir, what is the sharp you are using?
Chess base. Chess base.
So what will happen if we play Knight F7?
Knight F7, then king will move to F4.
A6.
F4. Only knight, it is wrong. That is why knight G6 is correct. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
It is chess based software. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Queen E8.
No. Then
Queen D7.
that is also wrong.
The Queen
Queen
D6.
takes pawn.
Queen
Queen takes
D5 is
pawn.
correct.
Queen
Queen takes
D6.
pawn is
Queen
correct.
takes pawn.
Now if king comes, kills the queen.
So
Sir,
on
Bishop
check.
G2. Bishop G2.
Bishop G2. Bishop G2. Suppose king doesn't, what?
Sir, go back, sir. Completely from starting.
Now, what will you do?
Sir, if
Queen
Queen
takes
goes
pawn.
to
Queen takes pawn.
E5.
E5, no, it is not possible. Queen D5 is
It's D5.
D5 is correct. Now king into D5, then bishop G2.
Bishop G2.
Correct. Now bishop G2, yes, correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, Queen F6.
Queen.
Sir, pawn into
Queen
pawn.
C8.
Queen
Queen C8.
Queen
Queen
C8.
C8.
Queen
Queen
C8.
C8.
is correct.
Queen C8.
Queen C8.
Now queen to queen. Now one more checkmate.
Now
Sir,
pawn to
on
pawn
G7.
push.
On G7.
G7.
Pawn to C7.
Correct. Now king can't move here or anywhere. King can't move. Checkmate. White to play in checkmate back in two moves. Two moves.
Sir, Queen C7.
Queen C7 is correct. Now rook into queen.
Pawn into rook. Pawn into rook.
Pawn
Pawn
to.
takes rook.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. White to play in checkmate back in two moves. Two moves.
Where
is n% possible?
No, n% is only in 5th rank. It is not possible.
Sir, queen takes f6.
Queen takes
Sir,
it.
pawn-
Watch your by
sir,
correct.
queen,
Watch your
pawn,
by
queen into pawn.
Now correct. Now pawn to queen.
Pawn push.
Sir, pawn G7.
Pawn G7 is correct. Now king can't kill it.
Pawn G7.
King can't come here. Correct.
Checkmate.
White to play. Checkmate back in two moves.
Sir, rook G.
Rook H1.
Sir,
Rook H1.
sir, rook H1.
Rook H1.
Sir, rook H1.
Correct. Bishop into H1.
Knight
Knight
F1.
F1.
Knight
Knight
F1.
F1.
Knight F1.
Correct. Now
Knight F1.
here or here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Two moves. Sorry.
Sir, Queen. Queen
Queen
B5.
A5. Queen A5.
Queen A5.
B5.
Queen.
King will kill the queen. That is not possible. That is not possible.
Sir,
B3.
sir,
Sir,
knight
on B, me,
Sir,
B,
Pawn
sir.
B3 is correct. Pawn B3 is correct.
pawn B2.
Pawn
Pawn
B3.
B3.
Now king into knight. Only move is for king into knight. Then one move checkmate. Can
Sir, Queen
Queen
A5.
A5.
Queen
Queen
A5.
A5
Queen
is wrong.
A5.
Then king can move to B2. King can move to B2. That is
Bishop
wrong.
C1, sir. Bishop C1.
E C1.
Sir, bishop C1.
Bishop
C1.
Sir, bishop C1.
Correct. Now king can't move anywhere.
Sir, bishop C1.
Yes, bishop C1 is correct. White to play.
Bishop B2.
Bishop F4.
No, that is wrong. Then show
Bishop
him
B2.
Bishop
F4.
Bishop
Bishop
G5.
B2, sir. Bishop
Pawn
B2.
F4.
pawn
Only
F4.
a pawn push. Pawn push.
Pawn push is correct. Now pawn to pawn.
Now Bishop
Bishop
B2.
B2.
Bishop
Bishop B2.
B2.
Bishop B2 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. White to play. Checkmate black in two moves.
Sir, Queen takes knight.
Queen takes knight.
Bishop to bishop.
Queen takes knight. 1 minute. Knight is wrong. Then king will kill the queen. What will you do?
Bishop to bishop. Bishop to bishop.
Then knight F4. Knight F4.
1
No,
minute.
bishop
So
to
the king
bishop.
will escape.
King will escape.
Bishop
yes.
into-
King will- Bishop
Queen
G5.
Bishop
G5.
Queen
Queen
G5.
G5.
Queen
Queen
G5.
Bishop
G5.
into bishop.
Queen G5.
Queen G5.
Queen G.
Now bishop to G5.
The bishop, the bishop. Bishop, the
Bishop
bishop.
takes
No,
bishop.
pawn takes bishop.
Yes, both are correct. Pawn take bishop is also correct. Bishop is also correct. So, king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in two moves.
Sir,
Queen
Queen
takes
takes
knight.
knight. Queen takes
Queen
knight.
take knight
knight.
is wrong. Queen take knight is wrong. No,
Rook
queen moment. Queen sacrifice.
G5.
Queen G5.
Queen
Queen
G5.
G5.
Queen G5. Queen
Queen
G5.
G5. Now pawn to queen.
Step on
Then
to
rook
pawn.
into
Pawn
queen.
to
Pawn
pawn.
takes
Pawn
pawn.
to pawn.
Pawn take.
Pawn to
Pawn
pawn.
take.
Pawn. Pawn to pawn.
Pawn. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Monday I'll teach you draw different types of draw like stalemate, perpetual check, and the other thing.
Okay, sir.
Then you should
Threefold repetition.
Threefold repetition.
stalemate.
Stalemate
But
also
sir,
Monday.
what is
Also.
perpetual shift?
Perpetual check and threefold repetition are one and same. Monday I'll show you. White to play in draw the game. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen takes pawn on d7.
No.
Sir, rook g8. Rook g8. Rook
G8 is
g8.
also wrong.
G8.
R8 then rook into rook. That's also wrong. First move is queen sacrifice.
Queen D7.
Queen
D7.
D7 is
D7.
wrong. Queen D7 is wrong. Queen D7 is wrong.
Queen D6. Queen
No.
D6.
Queen. Where should queen move?
Queen A5.
6, sir.
Queen G5 is correct. Queen
Sir.
G5.
D5.
G5 is correct. Now knight into queen. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Now rook. Now
Bishop to F6. Bishop
Yep.
F6.
Correct.
bishop F6.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Queen. Queen D8.
No, that is
Bishop F4.
Queen
move.
D.
Queen
Queen
move.
5,
C7.
sir. Queen G5.
Queen G5.
Queen
is correct.
G5.
That's correct. So that's it, correct. Now king into queen.
Sir, Bishop to
Can't push.
F4. Bishop
Bishop to
F4.
F4 is correct. Now suppose king doesn't kill the bishop queen, then what will you do? King doesn't kill the queen and king moves to here, what will you
Sir,
do?
then Queen G6. Queen G.
No,
Queen
queen
G6.
G6 is no,
Queen-
it will not be checkmate. Queen G6,
Queen
Sir,
f5.
Queen to F5. Queen F5. H5.
H5.
Sir, H5. Queen H5.
H5 is correct. Now
Sir,
king
could
can't
you
come
please
here.
move this meeting to the
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, what is the question?
In the Sicilian defense, should white do the Alapin variation?
Okay. Variation can be done by white, but defense is chosen by black.
Against the Sicilian defense, should white is it best to do Alapin variation against Sicilian defense?
I will study it and come back to you. Monday I will come back to you. I will study it and
Okay, sir.
white to play. Now white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. Can you tell?
Queen.
Alapin variation. I will study and come back to you. I have to study it. I have to study it.
Okay, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
The knight.
Sir, knight h5.
Knight h5 is correct.
Knight H5.
Can't come here or here. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move. 2 moves, sorry.
Queen G7. Queen G6. Queen G6. Queen G6.
Queen G6 or G7?
G6.
G6 then
G6.
queen will kill the queen. Queen will kill the
G7.
G7 is correct. Now king kills, now 1 more checkmate.
Sir, rook f7.
Rook F7.
F to f7.
Rook F7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. 2 moves.
Sir, queen takes pawn on g7.
Correct. Very good. Pawn to king.
Sir,
Bishop
bishop
D4.
d4.
Bishop D4.
Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. 2 moves.
Sir, queen to g7.
Queen to
Sir,
G7.
Queen G7.
Queen G7. Then
Queen
rook into G7.
Sir,
Sir, pawn into rook.
Pawn to rook is correct.
Pawn into rook.
Pawn to rook is correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. 2 moves. How is the class going on?
Very good.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Good, sir.
queen c5. Queen c5.
Queen c5.
Sir, queen c5.
Then queen
Not c4, c5. c5.
C5. Queen c5.
Queen c5. Then pawn to queen.
Then,
Rook to d8. Rook to d8. Rook to d8.
Rook to d8 is correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. 2 moves.
sir, queen takes g7.
Queen takes c7 is correct. Now king into rook, queen only move.
Sir, rook
Rook
g2.
to g2. Rook to g2.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Bishop h6.
Bishop h6 is not required, no?
Queen h5. Queen h5.
1 minute. Next problem. Queen h5, yeah? Then
Yes, sir.
king into queen.
Sir,
Pawn
bishop
hold,
takes
pawn
on
hold,
f7.
pawn
Bishop
hold.
takes on f7.
Bishop takes on f7 is correct.
And
Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
rook
Sir,
to
queen to h5. Queen
to
h5.
pawn.
Queen
Rook to pawn.
Queen h5.
Queen h5. Okay.
Queen.
Correct. Now king into
Correct.
pawn to queen.
Sir, rook
Rook into
e6.
pawn.
Rook to
Rook
pawn.
e6.
Rook to pawn.
Rook
Rook
into
to
pawn.
pawn.
Rook
Rook
into
to
h7.
pawn.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. The rook also. Bishop is
Sir, how about rook d6?
rook d6. King can escape. King can escape. Queen can come here.
g7.
Queen g6 is there. And even the king g7 is there. G-
Yeah.
King g7 is there. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen takes pawn on g5.
No, that's wrong. Queen movement. Queen sacrifice.
Queen h5. Queen
Queen
h5.
h5 is correct. King h5.
Knight
Sir,
g7.
knight
G3.
No, not
G3.
knight g3.
Knight
Now
G3.
bishop
Knight
sacrifice.
g3.
Knight
Knight
G3.
g3.
Knight g3 is wrong. Then
Bishop
king can
f7. Bishop f7.
F7.
Bishop f7.
Bishop
Bishop
f7.
f7.
Now it is checkmate. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play.
Sir, bishop to
Bishop
g6.
G6.
Bishop
No,
g6.
first
Bishop
movement,
G6.
first movement is
Sir, queen into h5. Queen into
Queen
h5.
is correct. Who told that?
Sanjana.
My Sanjana, very good Sanjana. Can you tell one more?
Bishop g6.
Bishop G6.
Bishop g6.
Bishop G.
Bishop g6.
Can I chant mantra from the class?
Yes, sir.
Namaste.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
शास्त्र मूर्ते शास्त्र पादक चिरोभावे शास्त्र नामने पुरुषा शास्त्र शास्त्र कोटि गदाय निर्मा ओम शांति शांति शांति. Monday will be
Yes, that's nice.
thank you. Monday will be taking different types of draft.
Yes, sir.
And other types of draft. Three types of draft. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Bye, sir.
there is also an England gambit.
Yes, England gambit.
England
That's
gambit.
what it-
Sir, also Mortimer trap. Mortimer
yes.
trap, Kinniger trap.
Yes. So many traps are there. It is a ocean.
I saw from that YouTube channel. It's called Immortal Wazir.
Yes.
Yeah.
that
Bye.
one.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. How was
Bye,
the class?
sir. Thank you,
How was
sir.
the class?
Thank you, sir. Sir, very good, sir.
Very good. Thank you.
Very good, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.